Okay, so now I've put my part back in there, and we are going to make the 2 tapped holes that go through the cross 250 reamed hole, so you can have 2 set screws that clamp on the bar material. So I've done the exact same process like I just did before. I edge found it, moved the location of the hole. So we're just going to center drill, and you can add a little bit of oil to help lubricate. All right. And now, because it's called off hole to hole, I'm going to zero out my X over that hole. And I'm going to move over 0.787, which is called on my print. All right, now we're going to center drill here. Now we're going to change to our drill and drill it through, countersink it, and then power tap it. And I'm going to go to my 0. Okay, so now we have our holes tapped for our set screws. Now what we're going to do is take it out, deburr it. You might want to hand ream this hole again, or hone it out to get the burrs out. And then we're going to do the other 2 tapped holes. Then we are on to milling out the step that actually fits onto the jaw. And then after that we will deburr it and she will be done. Okay, so now we are doing the exact same thing, except on the other side we're doing the other tapped holes, so you do have to move in location for that. And they are the same in X, but they are different in Y. So exact same concept. You want to center drill, drill, and then countersink and tap. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, and we're just going to drill it about halfway through the part, so that way when we power tap it, the chips have somewhere to go. And we're going to set our quick mill quill stop, so that should be good. Okay, so now these two holes are done. Now we're moving on to one of the final steps, which is creating the step in the part that actually fits on the jaws.